Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. Happy Saturday. I just really wanted to vlog today. I haven't vlogged in a minute and I haven't sat down and like chatted with you guys about my life and what's going on and how I've been feeling. Guys, on all that today, and also just take you guys along my day, what's left of it. It's about 11:30 and I have work in a few hours, so it's not going to be crazy exciting, but I actually really wanted to vlog. Feeling has like not really happened lately, so I thought I would take full advantage of it and just chat with you guys about my life, because there's definitely some updates. I am back in school. I've been back and forth about school for years now, and a lot of me is like, don't do it, you don't need to do it, and then another big part of me really wants to do it. This time I just decided to go ahead and do it, especially just like getting my general education done is really important, because even if I change my major, my interest in studies, as long as I have my general education done, it's a lot easier to change majors. So right now I'm working on getting an associate's degree in marketing, which if I do it right, hopefully be done in about 2 years. So that's really exciting. I'm working on like just general education stuff, like I said. Right now really like online schooling. For me, it works really well because I do need to have it be flexible around my work schedule, because I do need to pay my bills and I can't really like not to work. So online schooling works really well for me. I know it doesn't work well for others, but it works really well for me, and I'm still learning tips and tricks, but I will definitely let you guys know some like tips and tricks when I come across them. For classes, this is my first time I've ever taken a full load. It's definitely stressful. I just need to manage my time in a couple weeks, and so far it's so good. Kind of talk to you guys about how like I've been feeling. I've been so hard on myself lately. I don't know if like anybody else feels this way. I was so hard on myself for not like being up to par with everything in my life, working out, eating clean, social life, which you can't really have right now anyways, you know, working, saving money. I've been so hard on myself about like everything that's going on in my life, and I don't know why I do this, because we're like in a pandemic and I should be cutting myself a little bit of slack, but I am so hard on myself and I really need help with that. So if you guys know how to give yourself a little bit of a break, let me know. I've been doing like affirmations at night, and that's been really helping me sleep, and then I wake up in a better mood. It sounds silly. I literally tell myself stuff like, you is kind, you is smart, you is important, you're gonna have a good day tomorrow, everything's gonna be fine, everything is temporary, the thing that you're feeling is temporary. Those are just like a little bit, I don't want to get like too deep, but those are just a little bit of what I tell myself. It really does help me like relax and sleep, and then I usually wake up in a good mood. So I wake up in a better mood when I do that the night before versus when I don't. So if you guys are having trouble at night, definitely recommend that. I was doing Noom for a little bit, which I did really like, and now I switched over to Weight Watchers because there's a 2-week free trial. This is my first week on it. So far, I think I like it better than Noom. If you guys want like a comparison video of Noom and Weight Watchers, let me know, because I've been thinking about doing that. But yeah, next week is gonna be like my first like full week. I'm really diving in because I've been really lenient on myself this week, but next week is gonna be my full week diving in, and I think I'm gonna film it. So yeah, that's what's going on with me. I'm just trying to live a healthy, like well-rounded life overall. It's really hard to do right now in a pandemic. I still have a really hard time right now, and I just need to like chill, because that's not good for anything. I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna check in with you guys when I make lunch, I think, because I'm really excited about my lunch. So actually, maybe I might work out before I eat lunch. So if I work out before I eat lunch, I'll check in with you guys then. So this is what I'm gonna use to work out. I bought it off of Amazon for about $200, which is a really good deal. It folds up in that little tiny closet that we have over there, so it's really nice for like small places. And I've been doing this lately, and then like body weight exercises on top of it. But I'm gonna do at least 20 minutes of this. I finished my workout. It's like 1 o'clock now. I did 20 minutes on the bike, and then I did 20 minutes of like weighted exercises. So I'm trying to get into doing like a little bit of both, because I know that helps So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna make for lunch. I'm really excited about it. These are little cauliflower chicken tenders. That's what they look like. You get 2 for a serving, really low in carb. They're baked, not fried, and they taste really good. So I'm gonna make that with a side of, I saw a recipe for buffalo cauliflower with Trader Joe's cauliflower gnocchi. So I'm gonna do that on the side, and I'm gonna attempt to make the buffalo cauliflower. We'll see how it turns out. This will be good no matter what, but I'm a little nervous about this. I'm gonna spray the 0 calories. Okay. Mixing bowl, and then hot sauce of choice. This is my favorite, hands down. That is probably a good amount for me. I might add more later. So to get that like wing flavor, I'm gonna go ahead and add some garlic powder to it. It looks like finished product. I'm gonna go ahead and try it for you guys. And then I have some yogurt with cheese dressing on the side. Let's try it out. Mmm. 10 out of 10. Oh, so good. Yay. Okay, it's been a couple of hours. I'm going to start getting ready for work, and I thought I'd share with you my 5-minute routine. I really don't wear makeup to work anymore because I do wear a mask, as we all should. I thought I would just share with you how I feel a little bit more put together without putting on makeup. Now, I haven't been leaving my hair down. I totally could because it's short enough. I've just been putting it up just because it's been so hot here, in the 90s. Have an iced coffee. This is just black iced coffee with almond milk. I haven't put moisturizer on yet today, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So this is the Soothing Clear Turmeric Moisturizer by Neutrogena. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some chapstick, protect the lips, even though they're covered because I'm wearing a mask. I sound like I'm complaining, but I'm stating facts. I'm sorry, I'm not complaining. I'm very grateful to have a job. Literally take this Naked Heat palette and the lightest color. This, I'm gonna go ahead and dust it all over my eyes like that, just for a little something. I'm not gonna do mascara. I was doing mascara, but it has been really hot. Fill in eyebrows. This is the e.l.f. brow pencil, and I've been using this one for a bit and I like it. I'm gonna do sunscreen. I have been neglecting this and I really need to get better about it. This is the Neutrogena Oil Free 30. I think I'm gonna start leaving that on my counter, so I know. Put it on. Then I'm just gonna fix this. So far I've been filming for about 4 minutes, so a less than 5-minute routine. I'm gonna go ahead. Don't wanna smell. I'm just gonna sweat anyways, but you know. And on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe for more videos from me, and I will see you in a new video very soon. Bye guys.